Introduction to Forest app.
Forest app is a unique productivity tool designed to help you stay focused and avoid distractions. By planting a virtual tree, whenever you start a focus session, you can visually track your progress and build healthy habits. The app blocks distracting websites or apps, making it easier to concentrate on your tasks and watch your digital forest grow.
Setting up Forest for daily focus.
Begin by downloading the Forest app from your device's app store and creating an account. Next, explore the settings to customize task durations, preferred trees, and notification reminders. You can also set up daily goals, like total focus time or specific session counts. These features help you structure your day and turn regular focus sessions into motivating, achievable routines.
Automating focus sessions.
To automate your focus routine, use Forest's built-in scheduling options. Set recurring focus times for your preferred hours each day. Enable automatic start so a focus session begins at the scheduled times. You can also sync with your calendar to match focus sessions to specific work blocks. This minimizes manual setup and ensures consistency in your productivity practice.
Blocking distractions effectively.
Forest app can block distracting apps and websites during your focus sessions. On most devices, you can grant Forest permissions to prevent access to apps or sites you choose while the timer runs. This feature is especially helpful for resisting habitual distractions and making sure your focus time stays interruption-free, increasing your chances of developing better concentration habits.
Tracking progress and staying motivated.
Forest lets you review focus session statistics, monitor your streaks, and see how many virtual trees you've planted over time. Celebrating these small wins can keep you motivated to return each day. With regular use, you'll not only grow a lush virtual forest, but also form a reliable habit of deep, focused work, leading to improved productivity and less wasted time.